Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great too. I'm truly glad to have this opportunity to speak in front of you, and thanks for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts. How about I try being a motivational speaker for today? Well, we all need motivation in life, but having someone to encourage us can make a huge difference. Speaking of motivation, there's a woman named Oprah Winfrey, a well-known motivational speaker. She is simply the best. You might be thinking that I'm going to talk about her. No, not about her specifically, but about her words, and her words about us. A few years ago, I watched a video of her giving a speech. What really struck me were two questions. How will you use yourself? And how will you use the energy of your personality? And I still remember pondering those questions and finally figured out one solution, which is action. It doesn't matter if you are talented, you are kind, a strong and independent woman, or a brave guy. You won't be noticed until you make yourself visible. So you need to take action, be seen, and make your presence known to get noticed. So I told myself, try to make one rule for everyone that they will follow. Because everyone is rushing to become entrepreneurs and a businesswoman and a businessman. But that one rule will make you a brand. That one rule will reflect your personality. And also another inspirational figure is Les Brown, a true force in the world of motivation, once said, if you do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, then your life will be easy. What a powerful statement. And I believe it holds a profound truth. So it's October 29, 2025. I still whisper to myself, Afrin, be a mirror to your inner self, be hard on yourself, and watch yourself transform. Thank you.